Hey everyone, it is Wednesday, March 30th. The time is 4:55 p.m. and the temperature is around 1 degree Celsius. And I am here in the city of Vaughan. And this would be Steeles Avenue. And just on the south side of Steeles Avenue is the city of Toronto. And there's a look over towards York University. And that's one of the largest universities in the country. And that also happens to be where I graduated from. And just off in that direction over there is Black Creek Pioneer Village, and that's a large outdoor museum. And that runs alongside Black Creek. And that offers a recreation of 19th century life here in Ontario. And for this one, I'll be exploring Pioneer Village Station here. And I think I can enter it just up here on the left. So the station is located in two cities. Vaughan here in the north of Steeles, and of course Toronto on the south side of Steeles. And it has a bus terminal on either end. So we're heading up towards the York Transit Terminal. And you can see off in the distance there's a skyline starting to appear. And that would be at the Vaughan Metro Center. And I did a video where I explored that area last year. It's kind of a desolate suburban downtown. And that's where the north end of the subway station, or the subway line, is located. This is the third last stop. Just to the north of here is a stop at Highway 407, and then the final stop at the Vaughan Metro Center. And I think this bus terminal here is where 7 different routes pass through. There's the 96 York Region Transit bus. So York being the region that the city of Vaughan is located in. And they have a passenger pickup loop located within the bus terminal here. And there's an indoor waiting area. Although your fare from York Region doesn't transfer over to the TTC. So I'm going to head on into the subway portion here, and we'll explore the subway platform. Then I'll pop out on the other side, and I'll probably finish up in the bus terminal over there. And I will have to put my mask on before I head in. So I'm just going to slip that on now. So this station opened as part of a 6-stop northern expansion that opened back in 2017. I think it has to be one of the deepest subway stations in the city. There's where you can load up your Presto card. And it is wheelchair accessible. There's an elevator here. We'll have to see if there's one on the other side as well. just pulled out my laundry card for some reason. I had that in my wallet, along with my Presto card. And of course, one of the escalators isn't in service right now. Wouldn't be a Toronto subway station if all the escalators worked. And out of 75 stations, I think this one was ranked 50th in terms of how many people pass through here every day. So on the right would be the southbound platform, and on the left the northbound platform. And they got these really nice big screens here. Although this one's not turned on. And there's a look into the northern platform, or rather northern tunnel. So this train would be coming from the York University stop. So this would be one of two stations that serves the university. And I'm noticing these two screens are also off. So only one out of the four there are actually working. And I'm not sure what this screen is for. Here comes the southbound train. And I think there's another northbound train rolling in right now. And this is good to see. There is elevator access on this end of the platform as well. Yep.
Finch West.
Finch West? No, 2 stops south. Yeah, this train, 2 stops.
Yes.
So they were looking for Finch West Station. I let them know it's 2 stops south of here. And I think these fixtures up here are supposed to light up. You can see that spans across the platform here. And this was called Light Spell. And there were supposed to be little inputs where people could put in different characters and they would appear up here. But I think there were concerns that people might put in offensive or obscene words. Let me know in the comments if you've ever actually seen this thing lit up and working. Now we are emerging in the city of Toronto on the south side of Steeles Avenue. And definitely one of the shortcomings of this station along with most stations in Toronto, is that there's no washrooms. I found out that pain firsthand as I was making my way up here. It took me about an hour to get here from Yonge and Eglinton, taking the Eglinton bus to Eglinton West Station, and then I came up line 1 up to here. So let's go see what it's like at street level, and then I'll come back in and head up to the bus terminal. I think only 8 stations in the entire TTC network have washrooms. That is certainly rather abysmal. So where I started this one is just over there in front of that entrance. Just pulling up my phone here to snap a picture. So this will lead you into the university here. And York University Lions football team plays in that stadium right there. And we're also not far from the tennis center where the Rogers Cup is played. And I think there's another large stadium just over there. I'll have to come back up to York and record a video here someday. I did do a live stream through here, I think about a year ago. There's the TTC bus terminal, so that's where I'll head next. And maybe for good old time's sake, I'll take the Steeles bus over to Finch Station. There should be an express bus running now. And one of the 3 design firms that are responsible for the station is headed by Will Aslov. And he's responsible for the rather well-known OCAD University on McCall Street in downtown. All right, let's tap in again. And it seems there's another elevator. The PTC does have a mandate to have all stations be accessible by 2025. And at last check, I think they're on pace to fall short of that. And here's the TTC bus terminal. I think there's 10 different bus routes you could catch from here. So I would want to take the Steeles Express eastbound. 960D steals West Express. 960 steals West Express. So I think I have to wait 10 minutes. And here's an entrance to the bus terminal from within the university. That's the 41 Keel bus. So it's a certainly nice and large station. And I think the main reason it exists is because of these two bus terminals, the York Region and the TTC bus terminal. Otherwise, I think most students would be well served just by the stop in the middle of the York University campus.
All I said was fucking excuse me.
Okay. So I think my bus will be somewhere on this side. I wasn't really paying attention my first time through. (960) steals West Express to Finch Station. Service during peak periods only. Well, this is my stop. So I'm just going to wait here, and I'm going to take that over to Finch. Then I'll take the subway south, as it was a rather painful bus ride along Eglinton due to all the LRT construction. And on that note, I hope I didn't miss anything important about the station, but if I did, let me know down in the comments. I think there is parking for around 850 cars. And I think it serves around 17,000 passengers a day, or at least during non-pandemic times. It's also entirely possible that the number 60 bus at this point is going to be quicker than waiting for the express. I'm going to wait. So let me know your thoughts and comments down below, and if you wish to support the channel, there's links to my Patreon and YouTube channel membership in the description. And I also have an Instagram account at Johnny Strides. All right, thanks for watching. Stay warm, stay safe, and I will catch you on the next one.